Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I show you how to scan documents on HP NV6000 series using PC application. So of course you can do it using HP Smart, but HP Smart application, it is not a stable app. And of course you can click scan and just scan, but you need to log in. This application is always from time to time log out from the account, and this is not a stable app. So I suggest to use NAP S2 app. This is completely free application from the internet. So find it and click scan. Find here your printer. So as you can see, I have doubled HP NV6000 series because this is wireless connection and this is the USB connection. So I will use USB connection, and if you have USB connection with your PC, I suggest to use USB because it's more stable. And click OK, wait a while. And great, that's it. Here is my scan. So here is, I have a sticker card with hi, and as you can see, HP was scanned the document using PC application. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.